Imagine your small business lost in a sea of giants. Scary, right? Now, imagine a hidden superpower that makes you shine. That's LinkedIn for your local business. More than just resumes. It's a mega network of potential clients, partners, and local fans waiting to discover you. Here's the twist. 80% of B2B leads come from LinkedIn, and most local businesses ignore it. Crazy, huh? Think connecting with business owners around the block, not just globally. Plus, it's a trust magnet. People buy from those they know and like. Posting your story and success? Instant credibility. Feeling invisible? Not after a killer LinkedIn profile that feels like a warm handshake. The biggest secret? LinkedIn's local groups let you become a community hero overnight. So, what's stopping you? Are you ready to turn LinkedIn into your business's new neighborhood hotspot? Your competitors probably already are. It's your move now. Will you be the local legend? Tell me, what's your biggest LinkedIn win or struggle? Drop it below.